Hello friends, this is Prashant. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Invest in Learning. Today is Father's Day. I hope all of you wished your father, even I did, because we are proud of our fathers. In last video, we learned about IPO, but in this video we are going to learn about the process of IPO. We can say it as IPO process. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. So why IPO is issued? Whenever any company wants to expand its business, either they want to buy any machineries or for any kind of expansion or for acquisition of any company or something, for such kind of reasons, company needed funds. For that, what they do, they issue shares through IPO and the company get listed into the share market, and then the company takes up the money from investors through share market. So what is the process of IPO? IPO process is called as book building process. This book building process is very long, lengthy and critical. So that's why to learn this complete book building process, we will have to divide this book building process into 2-3 parts. So I am going to make 2 to 3 videos of this book building process. So this is the part first that we are going to learn today. The institute or person who carry out this book building process is called as BRLM, that is Book Running Lead Manager. IPO process is also called as capital raising process. Book Running Lead Manager carry out the complete process of IPO. Most of the times while any company issues any IPO, at that time you hear some terms like fully subscribed, oversubscribed or undersubscribed. So what are those terms? Consider, for example, any company issues 100 shares. The company is ready to sell 100 shares, but if for 100 shares complete buyers comes, then we call it as fully subscribed. If company is ready to sell 100 shares, but buyers needed more than that, either 150, 200, 300, etc., then we call it as oversubscribed. And the third term is undersubscribed. If company is ready to issue 100 shares and number of buyers are less than that, buyers are ready to buy less than 100 shares, in that case we call it as undersubscribed. So the responsibility of Book Running Lead Manager is to raise the capital how much the company wants, even in the case of IPO becomes undersubscribed. So whatever shares remain after undersubscription, then remaining shares Book Running Lead Managers will have to buy. So this is the agreement between them. One agreement takes place between the company promoters and Book Running Lead Managers. That agreement is nothing but underwriting. So what is underwriting? Underwriting is one kind of document which gives the guarantee from Book Running Lead Manager to the company promoters that Book Running Lead Manager will raise the capital how much the company wants. So this underwriting is of two types: soft underwriting and hard underwriting. Soft underwriting is nothing but, in the case of undersubscription of IPO, whatever remaining shares are there, that Book Running Lead Manager will buy, but he have authority that he can sell those shares to the qualified institutions. So this is soft underwriting. In the case of hard underwriting, some rules are strict. In hard underwriting, in the case of undersubscription of IPO, whatever the remaining shares are there, Book Running Lead Manager will have to buy all those shares and he can't sell those shares to another peoples or institution. When any company issues any IPO, then in that case we don't have any data regarding company. We don't have any data about the company history, company business or any company balance sheet. So in that case, as per SEBI rule, every company which is issuing any IPO will have to disclose all their information in one document or report, which is called as DRHP, Draft Red Herring Prospectus. So this DRHP report is of more than 500 pages. In this document, complete data about the company is given, about the CEO of company, his past record, the business of company, the board of directors of company, their salaries, etc. So all the data which any investor want to learn about the company all the data is given in the DRHP report. But every investor is not interested to read 500 to 600 pages. In that case, SEBI has made one more easy way, that is, out of those 500 to 600 pages, every company will have to make one 6 to 8 pages report which is called as average prospectus, which will include all the important information related to the company. So this is one kind of easy way of learning about any company in the case of any company issuing any IPO. In the next video, we will learn about book building process in detail. We will learn all other terminologies related to book building process. So whenever any IPO comes, so how its price is decided. Always there is a range the company decides, and in between that we will have to bid for that. So how that range is decided and everything, all those details we will learn in part 2nd and 3rd. We will learn in detail about that. If you like the video, then click the like button and subscribe the channel. We'll see you in next video. Till then, invest in learning. Thank you.